Hey y'all, and welcome back to Jemonica K. As you can see by the title, we are going to Sam's Club today. I don't have a huge haul, but I do have to restock on some items. So we're gonna head to Sam's Club, and I'm gonna come home and just show you all what I picked up from Sam's and also how I like to organize my groceries. And if you are not a part of Jemonica K, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna go ahead and head to Sam's Club.
Whatever they have to say. My heart's already chose you. It's so scary thinking I can lose you, that you will turn and walk away. Maybe I win, maybe I lose, but nevertheless I'm in love with you. So what can I do? What can I do? Every day is getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. So come and
Alright, so I'm back home. I'm gonna go ahead and run through these items really quick because I need to get those put up. First, I have some orange juice, these Capri Sun fruit drinks. These, I didn't pick these up from Sam's because at Sam's they had you had to get like the variety pack, and my kids only like the fruit punch, so I picked those up along with this butter spread from Walmart. And my kids like to use these on biscuits, or either if they're making like cinnamon sugar toast, they use that. Usually I do not get candy from Sam's, but Jaden was with me and she wanted some Skittles, so I have those. I have sugar. The kids love these waffle fries, so I have those. My kids absolutely love this cheddar broccoli rice, which is why I have 2 boxes of them. I usually get this from Walmart, and they're $1 at Walmart, but I discovered these at Sam's on my last grocery trip, and you actually get 8 boxes for like, I think $6.58 or something like that. I also picked up 2 bags of shrimp. Now this Zep, I picked that up from Lowe's while I was out. I just decided to include that in the video, but this is the stainless steel cleaner and polish that I use. I use basically all of Zep products along with like Miss Myers and Method, but these Zep products, they really get the job done. I also picked up the kids some cinnamon rolls. I usually make them homemade cinnamon rolls, but if I have had an extremely busy day, I really don't feel like making homemade cinnamon rolls. This is another option for them. I also needed some plastic wrap, so I grabbed that. Eggs, heavy cream, and I usually grab like 2 or 3 containers of heavy cream because that's what I make Alfredo sauce with. I also picked up some Hugs. Jaden loved those. Sour cream. This was a good deal. It was actually 2 in a pack for, I want to say it was maybe $3. I picked up some Dawn vegetable oil, Irish Spring soap, some more bath tissue, Powerade, and Fago drink. So I'm going to go ahead and get these items put up just to kind of show you all how I organize once I get groceries in the house. I do have cereal that I picked up for the kids when I went to the store yesterday, so you may see like a little footage of me refilling those jars and things like that. But let me go ahead and get these groceries put up.
I'm hypnotized. I've been feeling delusional. Thinking about us, babe. Your body's so beautiful. All I want is your love. Can't get enough. 'Cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time. You're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. Upside down, I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
Girlfriend, you got me smiling brighter each day. Stars are brighter, I feel lighter in every way. Girlfriend, there's no one like you when it comes to loving. Life is richer, lips are sweeter. Now listen, stay and let's figure out where to go and how about family, new history. Here I go, dreaming. You got me going wilder than wild. Girlfriend, there's nothing that can stop us. Oh, you got me winning my laughter mind. I know there's nothing that I can't do with you, with you.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Around us too.